Hello guys, I'm going to tell you how to count national income. There are two methods to count the national income. One is income method, the second is expenditure method. Income method. This method is measuring is used to measure national income, which is also known as factor cost method. This method estimates national income from distribution side. According to this method, the income payments made by the citizens of a country in a particular year are added up. These incomes occur to all factors of production by the way of rents, wages, interest, and profit are all added together. But income received in form of payments is ignored. The data pertaining to income are obtained from different sources. For example, income tax returns, books of accounts, etc. GNP can be treated as the sum of factor incomes earned as a result of undertaking economic activity on the part of resource owners and reflected in the production of output of goods and services during any given time period. National income is equal to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit plus mixed income plus net income from abroad. So, guys, let's talk about expenditure method. Expenditure method is also known as outlay method. According to this method, the total expenditure incurred by the society in a particular year is added up together. Income can be spent either on consumer goods or capital goods. Thus, we can get national income by summing up all the consumption expenditure and expenditure made by the individuals, firms, as well as government of a country during a year. Thus, national gross national product is found by adding up national national income is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic private investment expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus net foreign investment and net exports plus net receipts. So let's talk about private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure by households on non-durable goods such as food, which are used immediately. Expenditure on durable goods such as car, television, washing machine, etc., which are generally used for a longer time, and as well as expenditure on transport services. Gross domestic private investment expenditure. It refers to expenditure made by private businesses on replacement, renewals, and new investment. Number three, government final consumption and investment expenditure. Government's final consumption expenditure refers to the expenditure incurred by the government on various administrative services like law and order, defense, education, health, etc. Government's investment expenditure refers to expenditure incurred by the government on creating infrastructural facilities like construction of roads, railways, bridges, dams, which are used by business sector for production of goods and services in an economy. Number 4, net foreign investment and net exports. It refers to the difference between exports and imports of a country during a period of 1 year. Net receipts. The difference between expenditure incurred by the foreigners on domestic goods and services and the expenditure incurred abroad by residents on foreign goods and services. So, yes, guys, this is for today. Thank you very much.